Good afternoon guys. Today I am back with another video. Today I will be reviewing one pre-owned Ford Freestyle which have been purchased by one of my subscribers, and my special thanks to Mr. Vishal again.
Hello.
For providing this car for review and some assessment. So let's first go and walk around the car and then I will tell about the car. So let me take a walk around video how the car looks. This is which year's model?
This is 2018 model.
Okay.
Titanium.
This 2018 titanium diesel version, and as you know that flare has been one of the Ford's model. Although it's a good car, but it is a bit underrated and Ford did not succeed in making volume sales. But in the used market, it's difficult to get this car in the used market because very few cars were sold by Ford. So it's quite difficult, but if you get a good car, and I think it's a very good buy considering the price he has procured it, and the car looks quite premium and the condition is very good, and it's 2018 model. And how much price did you pay for?
I will not like to disclose the price as of now.
But he has
I can say I've got this car at the price of a Maruti Alto.
Okay, that's great. So the price he has acquired this car is really lucrative, and we'll see how the car is from outside and inside, and I will also review this car. So this is how the car looks from outside, and from outside the car looks absolutely fresh, and there is no such any dent or anything like that. So I think for an overall look it's a very good one. And since it is the titanium model, he get the roof rails and everything. It has also 4 company fitted alloy wheels. Now let's get inside the car. Let me start from the passenger side. This is the passenger side, and as you see, there is ample space here. There is ample space, and one can sit with, for people like me with average height, there is sufficient leg room, and the interior is quite premium. This car is fitted with leather seat covers. So that's how the car looks from inside, and the back seat is quite spacious and easily 2 people can sit, but for 5 it will be little bit difficult. Let's get to the driver's side. This is the driver's side. As you can see, this is the speedometer cluster. It's a bit an old fashioned, but still it's quite good looking. You have got the Ford logo. You have the entertainment system, a touchscreen stereo, and this particular stereo is also having a embedded map system, so you need not connect your phone to get the map. There you have your automatic climate control, and this is the music system. That's the glove box. The glove box is quite adequate.
Climate control AC.
Yeah, and this is an automatic climate control you are having. And here you have all the options. You have audio, you can connect your phone. You can connect your phone. There is the navigation, and as I told you, it's a Ford embedded navigation system. So the navigation is also doing very well. I have already checked that. And regarding this, the car has covered around 38,000 kilometers, isn't it?
35,000.
35,000. So for that considerable kilometers, it's not that much and it is a 2018 model, so the car has covered very less, and it is a diesel version, so you have all the advantages of a diesel car. Let's check the engine compartment.
It's the same engine which Ford uses for EcoSport.
Yeah, it is the same engine that is shared by Ford EcoSport as well. Only this car is using the chassis of old Ford Figo, and it's a little bit a crossover type of look. And yeah, and you get very good ground clearance. It is around 190 millimeter. So those who want to have this car in rural or semi-urban roads, for them it's not at all a problem because you have ample ground clearance. This is the engine condition, and as you can see, the car is still in very fresh and looks almost new, so that is also a plus point. So now we'll take a test drive of this car and we'll see how the car feels. So the car starts at one go, and before I drive the car, let me tell you about the safety features this car is having. It has got 6 airbags, it has got advanced rollover control ARP, it has got hill hold assist and stability control also. So regarding the safety features, you need not worry, you have all the features that is available with a modern car. In fact, I think only Nexon is having all these features at this price.
Traction control is also there.
Yeah, I have traction. Yes, there is a traction control is also there. So everything you need in a car, you are having this. So let us drive it. And you know already the diesel cars are bit torquey, so that is another advantage of a diesel car. And regarding the engine grunt, there is sufficient amount of grunt in this car. As you can see, the car surges ahead at the touch of an accelerator, so you need not worry about the power figures. And the car feels very much punchy. And not only that, Ford diesel engines are very refined, so you need not have to worry about the engine at all. Okay, somebody may have a question that Ford has left India, what will happen to the service and all this, but Ford has assured that they will give at least 10 years of after sale service, so owners need not worry about that. Not only that, another thing what I tell you, nowadays you can easily procure spares from Budmo or some online spare stores, so procuring a spare is not at all a problem. And be rest assured, Ford is providing you full service for at least 10 years from now on, so you need not have to worry about that. The acceleration is very good, so that's a very good point regarding this car. And the car feels very much solid.
Ford is known for his reliability, yes, as well as handling.
The handling and reliability is one of the Ford's prime areas, and those who are owning Ford cars, they know very well regarding this.
If you can share the real-time figures of the mileage.
Yeah, the real-time figures are how much. Okay, in city you are getting, and in city you can get a mileage of 16.4 to 17 kilometers. And I am without AC now at this moment. And with AC, how much you are getting?
See, right now I have recently procured, so I haven't used AC much.
Okay.
since it's winter nowadays.
Okay.
Right. So maybe coming few months I'll get to know what a mileage I'm getting.
You are getting
but on an average,
yes, because I heard Freestyle normally give you around 16 to 17 without AC, and in highways
you can easily claim up to say 20-22 kilometers per liter.
Yeah. So that's a very good mileage, and now again there is an advantage of diesel car. The price gap has again increased a bit. So those who are having a diesel car, they are having a good smile.
And the best part about this particular model, even all the Ford cars, is the cost of servicing is pretty low.
Okay.
I've recently got my car serviced at Ford Authorized Service Center with Kaikan Ford.
Okay.
The service bill was around 5,700 rupees.
Okay, that is a quite reasonable amount.
Exactly.
Considering a diesel car of this size. In diesel, there is a momentary lag, isn't it?
See, I've been driving diesel for quite some time,
so you won't, you won't understand the difference. But
exactly. But this car, I have other cars as well.
Okay.
Like Etios Liva.
Okay.
And Ford Figo, old Ford Figo. If you compare with
those cars, what is your experience if you compare with your old Ford Figo?
See, I must say that the pickup is very much fast over here.
Okay.
In gear acceleration is pretty good. Handling is very good, and the car feels rest assured planted on the road.
Yes, that feeling is already there.
I feel as if you are driving a mid-size SUV.
Yes. That is already.
It doesn't feel like a small car.
I think this is a very good buy in 2021 if you can fish about Ford Freestyle like what he has done.
See, I've seen a lot of reviews of Ford Freestyle in the YouTube channel. I've done a lot of research, and I was looking for a used Ford Freestyle, because see, maybe going forward 5-6 years down the line, there are chances of EVs gaining momentum, right?
Yeah. Already they are gaining momentum, as we see, and within 2 or 3 years we feel that the EV will become mainstream
vehicles.
Yes.
And so which is why I did not want to park my investment in
a new car. That's a good decision. What I feel.
This is high. It's been quite some time. I was searching in various online platforms.
Okay.
So this deal I came across the day I saw that car. I instantly booked the car, and within
in fact I was searching about a Ford Freestyle. What is the cost? In fact, you won't find easily Ford Freestyle for sale in OLX. I was going through the OLX. I found only one car was available.
See, the reason being, like, people still have some apprehension about buying Ford cars.
Yes.
It is only after you start using one Ford car, then you can go for other Ford cars. Like, you won't feel like going to other brands.
I understand.
But initially people think that there might be some higher maintenance cost and all, and since Ford is pulling out of Indian market, this has a lot of people have sold their car due to panic.
There has been a lot of panic sale. As I was going through the forums, a lot of persons have already sold their car in fear, apprehension that they might end up in a very poor resale value and service will be difficult for their cars.
Exactly.
But the case is not so, and nowadays nobody is going to keep a car for 20 years or something like that. So everybody.
So surprisingly, what I have realized, over a period of since Ford has stopped manufacturing the cars, the demand for Ford cars has gone up. A lot of people are, in fact, if you can check out, there are different forums in Team BHP and Facebook. People are looking for a used EcoSport Ford Freestyle cars, because you are not able to buy a brand new car.
A brand new car, yes.
So you will have to.
In fact, Ford Freestyle was very less in demand, so already dealers were having very few cars. So getting a new one at a discounted price was also quite difficult. And in the used market also, this car is available in much less. If I compare with EcoSport or other models of Ford.
EcoSport has always been a favorite.
It's a favorite.
I mean, it's the highest selling model of Ford till date. and still there are a lot of fan following for Ford EcoSport.
Yeah,
I mean,
even after Ford has pulled out, I have checked that. And that's the boot space you are getting in this car. It is around 265, 250. It's around 250 liters, but that is sufficient. Maybe the newer cars have larger boot, but that's adequate. It won't be a problem to pack your weekend luggage. So that's a short review of Ford Freestyle, and if you can fish out a vehicle like this, I think it will be a very good buy for you. So friends, if you have liked this video, please do give a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, and please do comment in my comment section box how do you like the review of this particular Ford Freestyle car. And my special thanks to Mr. Vishal for allowing me to review his car. Thank you very much and goodbye.